You all know what time it is. Bright side in the building, one side and a bright spark side. That's it. So, hey man, look, today I just want to say, man, the world is one. The world is one. We might have a diverse amount of flags all across the world, guys, but listen, the world is one. And Jamaica is a part of this oneness. So, there's no more Jamaica. I'm sorry to be the one to say this, guys. I'm sorry to be the one to have to bring this to your attention, but there is no more Jamaica. The world is one. Jamaica ended in 2013, 14, there about. You look at the changes in our society from then till now. Jamaica is a new place, a new set of people, new mindset, a new society. Jamaica is one with the world. We are in the world and we are a part of the world. And I say this because we as youths who grew up on the corner, I mean, we were cultured in such a way that the corner was fun. The corner was entertaining. The corner is where a lot of stars got their start. But because Jamaica is now one with the world, and because we're a part of this new world order where everything is changed, the corner is no longer safe, my nigga. We gotta get off the corner because the new world order is here. It's here, my nigga. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, you can definitely see that the new world order is in full swing. It's in full effect. I mean, growing up, I always have a hope watching the nightly news, seeing the murder figures being so much like as a boy, I used to say, hey, might be next year we're not gonna see that, but 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year growing and seeing that it never gets to zero, it never gets to even 100 for the year. Even when there was a Tivoli incursion, the lowest was about 900. So what I mean by that, my nigga, is that the youths are dying, people are dying, people are unaliving every day because the new world order is taking shape. That's why you have all these different organizations, these rainbow people, and all these different sects, and you know, the traditional man is being eradicated smartly. And if you're on the corner, you're exposing yourself to this eradication. So what I'm saying to you, my nigga, is that you have to care for yourself. The new world order is here. The new world order is here and it's the future. You adapt or you stay on the corner and see what happens. Nothing on the corner for you, my nigga. Jamaica is one with the world. Listen, our leaders, they don't care about us. They care about the money. They're in parliament. They say that they're Jamaican. But if you check how many of our how many of our political leaders in parliament has only Jamaican citizenship, you will be surprised. The majority of them, if if the truth is to be told, they are dual citizens. They come here and they bring Jamaica into the world's agenda and then they leave. So all that they're doing is steering the ship towards what the world wants of us. My nigga, I ain't masked up for no reason. This is the truth I'm spitting to you, my nigga. Listen, you need to get off the corner, bro. It's like the ghetto youths are the sacrifice. It's like the ghetto youths is the price that these leaders are paying for their future to be a part of the new world order. So you get off the corner, my nigga. Trust me. Get off the corner.